I didn't take care of my teeth when I was younger. I'm a VA patient, so I was in the VA, and this one doctor said, I'd have them all pulled if I were you. And I thought about it, and I finally did, because I'd been in sales, and I had to have the cosmetic look. I was selling cars at the time. And so everything was great until the last tooth he pulled on the bottom, so the denture had nothing to grab onto. So it was rocking all the time. I couldn't go through a meal without, having to get up and re-glue them, and it just got to be a pain in the neck. So I told my wife, and she was very agreeable, that I can't go on like this. Well, that's when I decided to go see Smile Boutique and get an evaluation to see if I could qualify for them. And that's how I started. I came in and they took x-rays of my mouth, and they said, Craig, we can help you. We're going to do a special thing for you. Don't you worry. When I got my final set and they were snapped in, they felt very secure. I was amazed at how well they looked, how natural they looked. And when I got home, my wife went nuts. She says, man, that is really something. Anybody that wants functioning teeth and beautiful teeth, they should definitely consider coming to Smile Boutique.